Good evening. Now I'm going to take a seminar on solar power plant. First, we will see the basic principle of solar energy. Solar radiation is reduced in intensity in atmosphere by clouds, dust, haze, and fog. The energy emitted by the sun in 3 minutes is equal to the world energy consumption during a year. Most of the energy we receive from the sun comes in the form of light, a sharp radiation, not all of which is visible to human eye. When this radiation strikes a solid or liquid, it is absorbed and transferred into heat energy. The heat energy is collected in a fluid, generally water. The heat energy can be used in a solar heater or dryer or can be used to run an engine. Flat plate collector or probably concentrated type collection is issued to the collect and concentrate the solar energy and increase the temperature of the working fluid. The components of the solar power plant are collector, butane boilers, turbine, condenser, and butane pump. First, you will see the flat plate collector. In a flat plate collector, the radiation energy of sun falls on a flat surface coated with the black paint having high energy capacity. It is placed facing the general direction of the sun. The materials used for the plate may be copper, steel, or aluminum. The thickness of the plate is 1 mm to 2 mm. Tubing of copper is provided in thermal contact with the plate. Heat is transferred from the observer plate to water, which is circulated in the copper tubes through flat plate collector. Thermal insulation is provided behind the observer plate to prevent heat losses from the rear surface. Insulation material is generally fiberglass or mineral wool. The front cover is made up of glass and is transparent to the incoming solar radiation. The figure shows the schematic representation of the flat plate collector. The next we will see about the cylindrical parabolic concentrated collector. Concentrated collector are of reflecting type utilizing mirrors. The reflecting surface may be parabolic mirror. The solar energy falling on the collector surface is reflected and focused along a line where the observer tube is located. As large quantity of energy falling on the collector surface is collected over a small surface, the temperature of the observer fluid is very much higher than in the flat plate collector. While the flat plate collector may be used to heat water up to 80 degrees Celsius, the concentrate type of collectors are designed to heat water to medium and high temperature ranges. The next will be the butane boilers. The water heated in the flat plate collector to 80 degrees is used for the boiling butane at high temperature in the butane boiler. The boiling point of butane is about 50 Celsius. The next turbine, the butane vapor generated at a high temperature in the boiler is used to run the vapor turbine, which drives the electric generator. The energy produced in the electrical generator is stored in the power house via transmission lines. The next, the condenser, the vapor coming out of the turbine at low temperature is condensed in a condenser using water. The condenser liquid butane is fed back to the butane boiler using feed pump. Butane pump, the condensed liquid is transferred to the butane boiler via pump. Then the cycle repeats and hence results in the production of more electricity. The next we will see the advantages of the solar power plant. The sun is essentially an infinite source of energy. Therefore, solar energy is very large in a digestible and renewable source of energy and is freely available all over the world. It is environmentally very clean and is hence pollution free. It is dependable energy source without new requirements of new highly technical and specialized nature for its widespread utilization. is the disadvantage of the solar power plant? It is available in a dilute form and is at a lower potential. The intensity of the solar energy on sunny day in India is about 1.1 kilowatt per square meter area. Hence, very large collecting areas are required. Also, a dilute and diffuse nature of the solar energy needs large land area for the power plant. For instance, about 80 square kilometer area is required for a solar power station to replace a nuclear plant on a 1 square kilometer site. Hence, the capital cost is more for the solar power plant. Solar energy is most available at night or during cloudy or rainy days. Applications: solar pump radar, solar water heaters, solar cookers, solar furnace, photovoltaic conversion, solar power generation. Thank you.